Students and parents, we at smartsocial.com have a brand new workshop, how to play Fortnite for a positive impact. Yes, we think a little bit of stuff together as a family can be good. Now, we first start off in this workshop. I hope you'll be a monthly member or an annual member. We talk about the negatives, the dangers. Can you really be addicted to video games? An avid gamer or Fortnite addict, how Charleston parents can tell the difference. This game is like heroin. Fortnite addiction, sending kids to gaming rehab. We're showing your kids a vocabulary of what could go wrong so that parents can then finally say, oh, the kids now get why. We want to show the students why you're right, parents. Epic Games was sued for not warning parents Fortnite is allegedly as addictive as cocaine. And then we get into a fascinating study. Do students behave differently after playing violent video games? Essentially, it's called comfortably numb, desensitizing effects of violent media on helping others. It is absolutely fascinating. We explain it to your students so they understand why too many video games might be bad for us having empathy towards others. Now, here's what your students are going to learn in this workshop. Focus them on their future. That's right. We talk to them about all the things it's going to take. Let's get them into a dream career, have a purpose, career, college, internship, and everything else. That's really what we want for your kids. And how Fortnite is really going to keep us from accomplishing that future because it's going to hog us from sleep, from effort, from attention, from relationships, from all these different things. We also talk about what is addiction and can people be addicted to Fortnite? We walk them through that. Real news articles about students who admit to playing too much. Do students behave differently after playing violent video games? We walk through that interesting study. And then 5 ways to make Fortnite more positive. Yes, if we can't get them to stop it, how do we get them to manage it? Give them a vocabulary of what to do. And then ways to get out of playing and more. We actually give your kids permission in this course. In these 3 lessons, we give them permission of how to put the controller down, what to say to their friends if they want to get out of a game, but they have FOMO and they don't know how to get out of a game, right? All these different things and more. It's called How to Play Fortnite for a Positive Impact and how you guys can play with your kids and do all kinds of great stuff. I really hope you'll take it. It's at smartsocial.com. Become a VIP member, a very informed parent so we can work with your family so there's less arguments and there's more positive stuff you guys are doing together online. I'm Josh Ochs with smartsocial.com. I hope you'll take this workshop and become a part of our family at Smart Social. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.